All right, this is number one test correction video on the 5.9, 5.5 test. We don't have to find any roots here, just list what is possible. So what the rational root theorem says is if you have a rational answer a over b, the top number must be a factor of the constant, and the bottom number must be a factor of the leading coefficient. So for this particular polynomial, the constant here is 9, or technically negative 9. And then the leading coefficient is out front here, so it's just 1. So if I list my factors of 9 are 1 times 9 and then like 3 times 3, but I'm not going to list 3 twice, I'm just going to list it once. And then the factors of 1 are just 1. All right, so to figure out, basically here's all our possible numerators, 1, 9, 3, and all our denominator can be as 1. So I just got to pair this denominator with all the numerators. So I get 1 over 1, 9 over 1, and 3 over 1, right? And then just slap a plus minus in front of it, right? And that's your list of possibilities. So if it has a rational solution a over b, it has to be either plus or minus 1, plus or minus 9, or plus or minus 3. Those are the only possible rational answers for this particular polynomial.